Pinagtibay ng BTA Parliament ang resolusyon na nagkukondena sa pamamaslang kay Bay Maceda Lidasan Abu, ang Municipal Election Officer ng Dato Odin Sinsuat at sa asawa nito na si Jojo Abu. Ang Resolution number 690 ay inihay ni MP Kitem Kadatuan sa ginanap na sesyon noong nakaraang linggo.
Today, we stand united in grief as I rise to sponsor Resolution number 690, a resolution condemning in the strongest terms the brutal and heinous killings of Bay Maceda Lidasan Abu, a dedicated COMELEC Municipal Election Officer of Dato Odin Sinsuat Municipality, and her husband, Jojo Olea Abu. Their untimely deaths remind us of the dangers faced by those who work tirelessly to safeguard our democratic institutions. It is our duty as representatives of the Bangsamoro people to condemn this heinous act and to ensure that justice is served. This resolution urges our law enforcement agencies to thoroughly investigate the incident, immediately apprehend all perpetrators, and deliver justice to the victims. On the morning of March 26, 2025, while on her way to fulfill her official duties, Bay Maceda and her husband were ambushed along Barangay Makir, Dato Odin Sinsuat, Maguindanao del Norte Province. This cowardly act of violence is not only an attack on two innocent lives, but also an affront to the principles of democracy and justice that we as Muslims and Bangsamoro profoundly value and uphold. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We belong to Allah and we surely will return to Him. It is only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our Creator, who has the right to take away life. Indeed, although it is stated in the Quran, Kullu nafsin zaikatul maut, that death is inevitable, the death of Bay Maceda Lidasan Abu and her husband were forcibly and unconscionably taken. Bay Maceda was a beacon of integrity and perseverance, embodying the spirit of the Bangsamoro people, resilient, courageous, and steadfast in their commitment to peace and democracy. In fact, I'm not only speaking na walang first hand, because Bay Maceda and Jojo Abu are the parents of my classmates from high school. Both Zaira Ala and James Abu. Her husband, Jojo Olea Abu, stood by her side, representing the strength of family and partnership that are deeply rooted in our culture and Islamic values. Let this resolution be more than words. Let it be a call to action to strengthen security, to uphold justice for victims of violence, and to build a society where such heinous acts have no place, inshallah. In honoring their legacy, we reaffirm our commitment to the Bangsamoro vision, a vision of peace, unity, and empowerment. May their lives inspire us, each of us, to rise above division, to lead with integrity, and to continue building a Bangsamoro that thrives in democracy, peace, justice, and harmony.